Yeah, as I was saying about Liam Bailey. Liam Bailey need to be captain Jamaica now, bro. I feel like Liam Bailey need to turn up and be the man for this team and be the one that everyone wants his jersey. Yeah, right now, too much people want to buy too much different jersey, bro. Too much people now put seven of them back, brother. Like Liam Bailey need to be that guy for us, and I feel like no, he need to have a tournament right now where him score a couple goals, get a couple assists. Even if we make the finals and I win fine, but win the Gold Cup for it, and keep going from there. It's a quality team, quality
Bro,
players surrounding. No more
I
excuses.
always reference Christian Pulisic. Whether he's having a good season domestically or he's having an off season domestically, because we've seen both.
Mhm.
We've seen him play out of his mind in Germany, and we've seen him come to England and not be as good as we know he can be, right? But when he jumps on that plane and travels across the Atlantic and lands, whether it be in Columbus or Miami or Los Angeles or or Massachusetts, and he steps out of that plane and he steps on that pitch,
Yeah.
Christian Pulisic is going to play his heart out, and he's
And he's
going to
going to
have
be
a good game.
Captain America. He's
He's
going to be. You know,
Christian Pulisic has consistently, him and Weston McKennie has consistently been America's best player for the last half decade. Think about it.
yeah, I agree. And that's what I expect from Liam Bailey. I don't think it's putting too much pressure on the player.
No,
Liam Bailey is a world star. Liam Bailey
that's
is a
who he has to be.
and I believe that's who he wants to be also. And
I
we're
mean,
playing
who wouldn't? That's who I want to be.
for sure. And I believe that we're for the last two coaches have been playing some football that allows him to be that. You know, Paula gave him said that we are going to be the team around Liam Bailey. Algrimson, not as expressive with it, but we see where Liam Bailey have sort of a free role in the Mexico game where he was all over the place. He was getting the ball, dribbling at players, taking at players. It didn't quite come off, but he got in a lot of dangerous positions. On another day, Liam Bailey could have had a goal and an assist in that game. And I said, so I like what I'm seeing from Liam Bailey in the system, and I believe this is the time where Liam Bailey needs to turn up and be captain Jamaica. That's what I expect from Liam Bailey. No, if Liam Bailey want laps, but I think them are afraid to take it up.
The Margaret can be captain Jamaica for me.
Of course him can. Of course him can, but obviously Liam Bailey, kind of a little darling thing to him where everybody love him. Him are the one that make it out. Make it out and go, put Jamaica on the map and bring the flag all about. Now a problem with it. So everybody would have want Liam Bailey to be the guy. But me I tell you, them are great take it from them are great the man, then I just them are great the man. You get me I say? But I would want Liam Bailey to be that guy. Them are